Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where I microwave shit so you don't have to. Today, we're going to be looking back at Season 6, which started off cool and ended quietly, while I cooked an Angus burger in Jenny the Microwave. As Microwave Me fans probably know, this is a callback to Season 1's clip show, where I microwaved a meat pie bookending it. And I think it can be said that Season 6 of Microwave Me is a lot like Penn State football's 1997 season. And with that, we're going to take a look back at Season 6, some of the highlights and lowlights, and just all around funny moments set to a piece of music that I wrote, and it's going to be a little bit spooky for Halloween. It's summer now, you know what that means. We're going to start off Season 6 with a bang. Will it microwave? That is the question. Today, I'm going to be microwaving gummy bears, spray paint, champagne. One thing weird about Season 6 is I haven't done any produce items yet. Microwaving your Play-Doh creation is a good idea to preserve it. When I do stuff trying to blow the door open, it either does nothing or blows the door totally off. Aerosol cans have been consistently a good show. I did not think that would happen. Mirror, mirror in my hand, who has the best microwaving show in all the land? Dove-tastic. Blender smoke. Don't breathe this. If all goes according to plan, this should be the best 4th of July celebration ever. I mean, just look at these different things. Well, there's Season 6 in a nutshell for you, and speaking of nutshells, haven't been able to find any good chestnuts. I've actually tried to redo the chestnut experiment, but they actually all blew up. One time I don't want something to blow up, they do. But anyways, stay tuned for Season 7's debut, where I do a really awesome Halloween special. But to be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if the Halloween special actually airs before this, because I'm going to rush to get that out, and there's going to be a lot of editing involved with this, but I actually filmed the book endings here before I filmed the jack-o'-lantern episode. Oh, I gave away the little secret. Well, I'm going to tell you, it ain't going to be just any jack-o'-lantern. It's going to be a microwave me jack-o'-lantern. And you know that means fun. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode.